Hey everyone, I'm excited to share some news about what's happening at MTM.Design. We have some incredible new features that we're excited to show you. But before we sit down at the computer and show you, let's talk about new products and services, starting with fabrics. We've sent all of our clients the new Fasttrack Luxury Essentials based out of Dormeuil's Millennial Collection. These folders include some fabrics that we stock at the factory, ready to cut and manufacture, just in time for the wedding season. We've also sent the brand new Terio fabric collection, a selection of fabric specifically curated by MTM.Design for our clients. These are stocked at the factory, and they include fabrics that you can't find anywhere else. As an example, we've included some off-white shirting, which was a highly requested addition to the fabric offering. When it comes to new makers, we're excited to announce that we've partnered up with a manufacturer in Bulgaria for t-shirts and polos, just in time for the summer. We've also been working hard behind the scenes to improve our systems and make things better for our clients. Our new invoicing process is now more streamlined than ever, and as a result, our invoicing schedule will be regular and predictable. We've also added a feature on the platform for you to see and download all of your invoices. Let's now look at the new features, including the new fabric replacement process, the new order status page, and better ETA dates. We'll also review some small improvements that will make you more efficient. It's unfortunate, but backorder fabric is something that we need to deal with, even though we try our best to make sure that it doesn't happen. When possible, we display the stock in real time on the platform for you to make an informed decision. But when a fabric is discontinued or backordered for a few months, we need to take action. That's the reason why we now include a new tool in MTM.Design to help you with replacing or finding a new fabric, or wait for the fabric to become available. I'll include in the description a link to a complete article in our Help Center that explains in detail how the whole process works. But let's review it quickly. When a fabric is not available for an item that you created, you will first receive an email that looks like this. Hi, you ordered an item, ASRDM 327896, whose fabric is no longer available. Please go to the following link to change the fabric or wait for its return. Clicking on the link will take you to the unavailable page. This page includes the number of the item, the client name, the person who created the item, the fabric supplier, the fabric number, and when it was ordered, along with a backorder or a discontinued status. You can also see the return expected date for that fabric. You can then decide if you want to wait for the fabric to become available or if you want to replace it. On the Replace page, you'll see a picture of the fabric and you can search for a replacement. Once you've found the fabric that you want to use as a replacement, click on Replace with this fabric, and we'll order the fabric for you, send it to the maker, and update the garment information on the platform. We'll even add a note in the order history for you to track that the fabric has been replaced. We know how important information is to you, and that's the reason why we've included a new section on the item page so you can answer any questions your clients may have. That section displays information about the fabrics being used on the garment. As an example, on this three-piece, there are three fabrics. A main fabric that is currently in transit, a fabric on the waistband that is queued and will be ordered shortly, and a lining fabric that has been received by the manufacturer. That new section will help you understand when the production of your item will start. We've completely redesigned the order status page with three goals in mind: make it faster, display more information, and add filters. The order status page is the place to go when you want an overview of your orders, and this is what it now looks like. You now have the item type, the item number, your client's name, when the item was ordered, when the production will finish, when it will leave the factory, and when we think the item is going to be in your store, along with the status. You can also click on the three dots here to view the client's profile, the client orders, or the client card. You can also use the filters to display more or less information. We've added an option in the jacket builder to give you more control over the inner Bartack shape and colors. This is what a D-shaped Bartack looks like. You can select an I-shaped Bartack, a D-shaped Bartack, or an X-shaped Bartack, along with a thread color.